Hey guys, Gretchen here with a real quick how-to about knowing when your cakes are baked. I get the question so often, how long do I bake it? And as you know, I always say, until it's done. Well, of course I do give you approximate times in my recipes, but after that it requires a little know-how. So here's my favorite way to know if my cake is baked. I call it the finger test. I gently press in the center of the cake while it's still in the oven, and if it springs back as you see it is doing here, perfection, you know it's done. If it stays indented, you can be sure it needs a little bit longer in the oven. Now, brownies on the other hand are different. Nothing can come closer to accuracy than the good old toothpick test. Insert the toothpick into the center of the brownie, and if it has moist crumbs, perfect. If the batter is still a little wet or liquidy on the toothpick, you must bake it several minutes longer. And last, if you remove the toothpick and there are no crumbs on it, whoops, dunk that bad boy into some coffee and call it a day. That's what I call desert, not dessert. Okay guys, thanks for checking me out. Be sure to get the best recipes at GretchensBakery.com, and I will see you soon.